Welcome to the final day of your 30-day beginner's guide to meditation. Today, we take a moment to reflect on your incredible journey and celebrate all the growth, inner peace, and transformation that you've experienced over these past 30 days. This meditation is a moment to honor yourself, acknowledge how far you've come, and allow the feelings of peace and self-awareness to wash over you. As you sit comfortably and close your eyes, allow yourself to be present in this moment, letting go of any expectations or worries. This is your time to simply be. Step 1. Relax and breathe. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and gently exhale, releasing any tension in your body. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, notice how each breath brings you further into the present moment. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the steady rhythm of your breath, and the calm it brings. With each inhale, you are drawing in calm and peace. With each exhale, you are releasing any remaining tension or stress. Allow your breathing to guide you into a state of deep relaxation. Step 2. Reflect on your meditation journey. Now, gently bring your awareness to the 30 days that you have completed. Think of the small steps you've taken each day, the time you set aside to practice, the stillness you embraced, and the lessons you've learned. As you reflect on your meditation journey, acknowledge the strength it took to show up for yourself every day. Celebrate the moments when you felt more grounded, more centered, and more at peace with yourself. Notice the transformation that has taken place in your mind and body. You are more aware of your thoughts, more accepting of your feelings, and more connected to the present moment. This is a beautiful accomplishment. Step 3. Affirm your growth and peace. Now, let's focus on a few positive affirmations to reinforce your growth and newfound peace. As you breathe deeply, repeat these affirmations quietly to yourself or simply allow the words to resonate within you. I honor my journey, and I am proud of my progress. I am deserving of peace, love, and happiness. I trust in my ability to continue growing and evolving. I embrace the stillness within me and carry it with me wherever I go. I am at peace with who I am and where I am on my path. As you say these words to yourself, feel them seep into your being. Let them become a part of your inner truth. Trust that you are worthy of all the peace and positivity you have cultivated. Step 4. Ground yourself in the present moment. Now, as we come to the end of this practice, let's ground ourselves fully in the present moment. Feel the connection of your body to the surface beneath you, whether you're sitting, lying down, or standing. Notice the sensations in your body, the texture of the ground, and the gentle sway of your breath. Let this grounding sensation remind you that, no matter what life brings, you have the power to return to this state of inner peace, clarity, and calm. Step 5. Close with gratitude. Take a few moments now to express gratitude to yourself for dedicating time each day to grow in your practice. Feel thankful for the wisdom you've gained, the strength you've built, and the peace you now carry within you. When you're ready, slowly begin to deepen your breath. Gently move your fingers and toes, bringing movement back into your body. Take a moment to stretch, if that feels good. As you open your eyes, know that the peace you've cultivated in this practice is always available to you. You are now more connected to yourself, to your inner peace, and to the present moment. Carry this with you as you continue your journey beyond these 30 days. You have already achieved so much. Congratulations on completing your 30-day meditation journey. You have come a long way, and your dedication to this practice will continue to support you in your life. Remember, meditation is a lifelong practice, and every day is an opportunity to return to the peace within. Thank you for allowing me to guide you on this transformative journey. You are truly capable of amazing things. Embrace the inner peace and wisdom you have found, and trust that you are always capable of finding your way back to this stillness whenever you need it. Thank you for meditating with me. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. This helps my channel a lot. Or share your experience with your meditation in the comments. Come back daily to build your habit. Thank you so much and see you tomorrow.